Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with this video to show you how to turn on your network speed display. Like, when you turn on your data, it's hard to know, like it's difficult to know or to notice that your data is on. In some phones, I don't know about your phone, but mine, it's difficult for me to know if my data is on or not. So what this network speed display does is to just display the radius at which the network speed is going, like the speed, the rate at which the network is going. Like you can see your network, like if there's network, you know that there is network. If the speed is fast, you know the speed is fast, something like that. Yeah, so it's very easy. Let me just show you. Like if I want my data now, my data is on like this, but I can't tell if my data is on. I can't know if my data is on. Like I can't see it at the top at my notification panel. I can't see it anywhere. So all I have to do is just go to your setting, go to your setting, yeah, and look for your display. Look for your display. Click on it. Look for your display network speed. Okay, just switch it on, and we're done here. Just click on your home button and on your data. So this will display any moment from now. Yeah, network speed has displayed. See, look at it at the top. It's at the top. It's displaying. And at this rate which my network is going, I don't have data. I actually don't have data now. But when this data, it will be reading like mad. You will see it, like you will notice if you have data or something like that. So thank you for watching this video. um I'll see you in the next video, but be sure to like, subscribe to my channel, make sure you ring the bell for notifications of my new posts, something like that. Comments, I need your comments. You can share to your friends too, self. That will help a lot. Thank you.